What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to check your credit reports on Credit Karma. Let's get straight into the video. All you gotta do is just follow these simple steps. The first is to log into your Credit Karma account. You can do that on the website or you can do that on the mobile app. Next, just click on credit report tab, and then you can view your credit report summary, which includes your credit accounts, payment histories, and credit inquiries. You can just click on individual accounts to view more detailed information on them, and you can also dispute any errors or inadequacies on your credit report after viewing them, and you can also track changes to your credit reports over time. And you can also use Credit Karma's credit report to identify areas that need your improvements. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to check your credit reports on Credit Karma. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.